if you come across this one, this is Infinix Note 40 Pro, Android 14 version. You are welcome, and thank you for coming. This is just the new Infinix Note 14 Pro, just launched, newly launched. Wow, the storage is 256 gigram and the RAM is 8 gigram with battery of 5000 battery capacity, no removable. This phone can charge 50% in just 26 minutes. Yes, meaning that this phone totally run full at 1 hour. What I like about this phone is that this phone has a reversal charge. Yes, and it can also charge your neighbors. This phone has 20 watts wireless charge at the back. Yeah, that's the good part of this phone. The phone also has 20 watts wireless charge. Yes, what we said earlier. It has 20 watts wireless charge at the back of the phone. That is from the back of the phone. You can charge wireless to selfie camera. 32 MP. The display of this phone. The display of this phone is AMOLED, which is OLED. Are you exciting? The speaker of this phone is, yeah, so good, and yeah. That's the most. It's so good. If you like gaming, this phone has also good gaming processor. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. My advice for you is just go to the nearest shop close to you and find more detail about this phone. Thank you.